Welcome back. Students' agitation against the private bus owners and conductors intensified in the capital city on Wednesday. 35 students were detained. The situation became tensed after one of the bus conductors allegedly used foul language against them. Panji police interfered and took stock of the situation. Traffic was halted for 1 hour. Later, the students were released.
या बसीचे न्ही आमचे एका बसीचेर नाल्यार एका रुटाचेर एका कंडक्टराचेर कांयच ना आमचे वैयक्तीक कोणाचेर कांयच ना आमी हांगा देवल्या कारण आमी जे इश्यूज मांडिल्ले डायरेक्टरा कडेन ट्रान्सपोर्ट आमी लिगली मांडिल्ले इश्यू अजून पर्यंत कांयच जाल्ले ना सर सॉर्ट आउट जायना तो
तुमच्याकडे जर स्पेसिफिक या बसीचेर कितें कंप्लेंट आसा आय कॅन टेक एक्शन
प्रायवेट बस ओनरांच्या अगेन्स्ट आमकां कंप्लेंट आसा आमी दिल्या
जनरल कंप्लेंट कशी एक्शन
जनरल कंप्लेंट सर ट्रान्सपोर्ट डायरेक्टराक आमी दिल्ली
कितल्या बसीची कंप्लेंट सगळ्या बसीचे कंप्लेंट आमकां सगळ्या बसीक लायसन कॅन्सल करा त्या वेळार कोणे समज 50%
सर ना ट्रान्सपोर्ट डायरेक्टराक आमी लेटर दिला ट्रान्सपोर्ट डायरेक्टरान हांगा येवन आमकां अश्योरन्स दिवचे
सगळ्याकडे आमचे ट्रॅफिक इमिडिएटली नंबर करपाक जाय तुम्ही सांगू शकता तुमच्याकडे जर एकही बसीचो जर नंबर ना
सर आमी कितल्या बसीचे नंबर दितले आमी स्पेसिफिक गोंयभराचो प्रॉब्लेम दिला आता न्ही सर आमी इश्यूज ट्रान्सपोर्ट डायरेक्टराक दिला ट्रान्सपोर्ट डायरेक्टरान ताजे उपाय दिवचे
ट्रान्सपोर्ट डायरेक्टर
तो सेपरेटली बसी तांच्याच अंडर येता सर
तांच्या अंडर
सर काल मडगांव प्रोटेस्ट केला तेन्ना
तुमचे बसीन बाकी लोक बशिल्ले आसा जो तुमचो
सर मान्य करता
सर
मान्य करता आमकां सदांच त्रास जाता
एक दीस जाता तांकां जागे आले आमकां त्रास जाता कोण पळयता
आमकां सदांच त्रास जाता कितें करपाचें
All cases pertaining to Goa mining will be heard as public interest litigation before the Apex Court. Court has appointed senior lawyer Harish Salve as amicus curiae in these cases. Many petitions regarding mining in Karnataka, Goa and Orissa came up for hearing before the Green Bench of the Supreme Court on Wednesday. Goa mining petitions will be heard for disposal after ongoing hearings on Karnataka and Orissa mining.
NGO Goa Foundation had filed a petition pleading Supreme Court to ban the mining operation until recommendation from Shah Commission report are implemented by the state government. Now, mining companies, employee organization or exporters various panchayats have filed an intervention petition with the original petition of Goa Foundation. Hearing on the mining matters from Orissa was held in Supreme Court on Wednesday. Matter related to Vedanta Group mining project. Orissa matter will continue till Thursday. After Orissa hearing, Karnataka mining hearing is listed on court's board. If the matter of Karnataka is not completed before Friday, then hearing on Goa's matter would begin in the next week. State government's affidavit has reached the Apex Court. Now all eyes are set on the outcome of this much awaited mining case. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Robbers ransacked 2 flats in Vasco in broad daylight. 2 buildings were robbed on the same day at 2 different places. Robbers fled with articles worth 50,000 rupees from Lavu Sawant's flat in Wade. In another incident, Aarti Naik was robbed of articles worth 1 lakh rupees in Vasco City. On Tuesday, 7 flats were robbed in Mapsa. This is Sharon Enclave at Wadem in Vasco. At around 11:30 am on the 5th floor, the robbers broke open the door. They fled with articles like 4 wristwatches, 13,000 in cash and 2 sets of earrings. The flat is owned by one Lavu Sawant.
आज कोई एक भी आया नहीं, क्या बोलूं?
तो कैसा चोरी हो गया? तो
वही बोलता है सर, मैं क्या बोलने का भी
कोई आपने देखा नहीं?
अरे देखा सर, इधर रहेगा तो किधर से जाएगा? मेरे को देखा कि मैं पूछ के छोड़ता ना उसको, पूछ के छोड़ता है। ऐसा नया आदमी आ गया ना, उसको पूछेगा मैं किधर जाता है, उसका नंबर बोला, फ्लैट नंबर बोला तो मैं छोड़ता है, नहीं तो नहीं छोड़ता, नहीं तो उसको बुलाओ फोन करके, ऐसा बोलता है। मैं क्या करूं?
In another robbery in Vasco City on the same day, second floor of Helena Apartments was ransacked. Robbers fled with articles like 2 sets of earrings, silver finger ring and 5,000 in cash, all worth 1 lakh rupees. The owners were out of the flat with work.
एक जण कोण फर्स्ट फ्लोरा वयल्यान देंवता सकयल, हांवें तोंडाचेर लक्ष दिवंक ना तेंच्या. मागीर वयर येयले जाल्यार दाराक लॉक ना म्हणून दाराची कडी वाजयली हांवें. कडी वाजय हांव समजलें चलो आहा दिसता घरान, म्हाजो तो येता न्हू कामा वयल्यान. पयलें दार उगडिना तो म्हणून हांवें कडयेचेर लक्ष दिलें हें करपाक. जाल्यार कडी मोडलेली आसा म्हणून बाजूच्याक हांवें बॅल मारली. मागीर ती आयली हांवें म्हटलें दार कोणी ओपन केलें मोडलें म्हणे लॉक म्हटलें कोण आयलो चोरी जाली दिसता अशें हांवें तिका म्हटलें.
This is the second incident in 2 days. On Tuesday, 2 flats were burgled in Mapsa. Reporter Surendra Madkekar for Prudent. Transport Department will soon make it mandatory to install digital meters with printer for all the taxi operators in Goa. RTO feels that the move will curb the practice of charging unfair rates by the taxi operators. Department is also preparing a fare chart for auto rickshaw operators. Decision is likely to be enforced from 1st of April. The Department of Transport is planning to make it mandatory to install digital meter with printer in every taxi running in the state. Transport Department in association with the Tourism Department is making all-out efforts to make it effective from April 1st.
The department is very actively considering the fitment of meters, and the 2 meters with printers like we have in taxis, airport taxis at all places like Bangalore, Delhi, Hyderabad. Those meter taxis, which the meter starts when the person occupies the taxi. Okay, and at the end of the journey, automatically the fare is calculated and receipt is issued. Desai also said that the issue of installation of meter in auto rickshaw is under discussion for more than a year now, but could not find any amicable solution due to demand of half return fare by the auto operators. Now the department is preparing a fare chart and auto rickshaw operators will have to charge according to that chart. Wherever they have the auto rickshaw stand, they must put the fare table point to point basis. That is, say if it is Church Square, from Church Square to All India Radio, or from Church Square to Santinis, Church Square to Market, and that fare will be applicable to about 1 kilometer radius of the same district.
With video journalist Sushant Pearl, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.